Tina koto, tina koto, tina koto katoa. Welcome to one and all. Could all the adults please stand, and could the children please remain seated for the national anthem? Great singing, Cotswold. Now rooms 18, 8 and 7 have something to share with you.
If what I am is what's in me, then I'll stay strong, that's who I'll be. And I will always be the best me that I can be. There's only one me, I admit. Have a dream, I'll follow it. It's up to me to try. I'll keep my head up high, keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, I'll be getting stronger. And never gonna bring me down. Never gonna stop, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. And what I am is, what I am is easy. keep getting stronger. What I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what you are is, what you are is. Nothing I can't achieve because of myself. I believe in you. Don't hold my head up high. Keep on reaching high. Never gonna stop. I'll keep getting stronger. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Never give it up. Gotta go. Yeah. I'll keep getting stronger.
Wow, that was special. We have some special people to honour now. It is time for Junior Awards. Could Mrs. Fleming Connell and Mr. Anderson please come to the stage?
Alright, we've had some children doing fabulous things in the junior school as always, but today we can only award some certificates to a few of those children. So to start with, we've got Dakota Taylor from Room 1 for always working hard and outstanding first term at school. Also from Room 1, we've got Zoe Borum for confidently using Te Reo Māori in everyday situations. From Room 2, we've got Coco Schwells for always trying hard and being a great role model in Room 2. Well done, Coco. From Room 3, we've got Isaiah Fortune for improved efforts in writing and reading. Keep up the super learning. From Room 3, we also have Ryan Golby for trying hard in all areas, especially in reading and writing. From Room 4, we have Luke Dubin for his excellent work habits and displaying many of the Cotswold values. Also from Room 4, we've got Nicola McLaughlin for her positive attitude towards school and her huge improvements in writing and reading. Room 5, we have Gemma Creed for her enthusiastic approach to all school activities. Taylor Blackburn from Room 5 for being a self-managed learner and having a positive attitude towards all school activities. From Room 6, we have Annabelle Lang for her positive attitude and for being a great Cotswold carer. Gracie May Allen from Room 6 for all her excellent efforts and attitude towards her schoolwork. Room 7, we have Ray Suzuki for his excellent attitude to all his schoolwork. And also from Room 7, we have Elizabeth Foote for the huge effort she puts into her learning. From Room 8, we we have Max Fiskin for taking on responsibilities in room 8 and demonstrating his values. Also from room 8 we have Zoe McCormick for her excellent efforts in all her work. From room 9 we have Nina Rainey for her active participation during all classroom discussions. You have many interesting and creative ideas. Ali Brown from room 9 for her mature attitude towards school. You are focused on your learning and a wonderful self-managed learner. From room 10 we have Ethan Feely for his effort and application to his schoolwork. Cameron Lee Johns for her fantastic work habits and positive attitude to all classroom activities. From room 11 we have Lily DeMuth for her excellent attitude and effort in all her schoolwork. Also from room 11 we have Sienna Fox for fabulous effort and enthusiasm in all her schoolwork. In room 12, Lexi Coulson for her positive classroom manners and for being a self-managed learner. And also from room 12, Michael T. Moana for contributing regularly to classroom discussions and displaying many of the Cotswold values.
Great work, juniors. As part of Room 18's Cotswold Caring Unit this term, they experimented with different types of artworks that represent caring and love for ourselves with others and nature. Visit Room 18's class webpage if you want to follow the process of how they created their artworks. Sit back and enjoy Room 18's art titled With Love.
Congratulations, roommate team. We can certainly see the love and the care that went into your artwork. We have a special person at our school that knows all about the word care. He takes care every day. He is our caretaker, Mr. Major.
Classes around Cotswold School have been very busy spotting people who are role models for being Cotswold carers. The student voice ran a raffle celebrating the caring attitude of these children, both in the classroom and out in the playground. There were so many fantastic people caught being Cotswold carer that we chose one student from the junior syndicate and one student from the senior syndicate. We are very excited to announce that the winners of Caretaker for a Day are Adam Abraham from room 5 and Tom Baker from room 21.
Say hello to Adam and Tom when you see them as our new caretakers for the day. Doing exciting work around the school on Thursday, 18th of April. Could the audience please give Adam and Tom a huge round of applause? And count in Māori. They have put together a PowerPoint to demonstrate their learning. Enjoy.
Learning and young eyes. No decisions. We have been learning how to greet each other in Māori. Daniel was greeting Zoe in the sit to say hello. To Zoe, hello to one Daniel would say, Tina koe. In this photo, Rihanna is greeting Eleanor and Liz. She is saying Tina Korola to greet her two friends. If you were to greet 3 or more of your friends, you would say Tina Korola. He child on the flying fox. Growers children climbing the ladder. 2 children playing basketball. The children on the laptops. Freezer children going to school. All children morning activity and the school teachers. 6 old children reading in the library. 1 children playing soccer at lunchtime. 11 children play games in room 8. of amazing scriptures. Because my parents children really did book from last night. The time now was 28 years, morning tea after morning. Because my children wearing on Academy Day. Because my children dancing. Because my reading the children pictures and touch speakers. Because my all children picking up rubbish and caring for Cotswold. To call my teachers, children pushing away the books. To call my older children thinking at their work. To call my A-word children racing to the finish line.
Karma, Rima, children resting under the tree after a very busy day.
Great PowerPoint, roommate. Now we will sing the Irish song.
What a pleasure, Mr Simpson, to celebrate the senior learners at Cotswold. In room 16 we have Katie Collins for her excellent attitude towards all areas of the school curriculum. Great work, Katie. Also in room 16 we have Felix Halford for being a self-managed learner who shows great initiative in their classroom. In room 17 we have Leon Lynn for being a risk taker in his learning and asking lots of questions. Leon, we love your artwork. In room 17 we have Samantha Armstrong for being a responsible, self-managed learner and for always working hard to achieve her goals. Super effort, Samantha. In room 18 we have Dominic Whitcomb for his newly acquired maturity towards his schoolwork and keen attitude towards being a student voice class representative. And also in room 18, Imogen Angel for her enthusiastic approach to her schoolwork and friends. In room 20 we have Alyssa Bartosh for her superb attitude towards her schoolwork. Well done, Alyssa. And also in room 20 we have Matthew Kyotai for a great start at Cotswold. You are using our values. In room 21 we have Amy Coe for her enthusiastic and positive learning approach. And Adam Vealing in room 21 for having creative and original ideas in his writing. Well done, Adam. In room 22 we have Jack Patient for being a caring and responsible class member. And also Sienna Davidson for being a conscientious and hard-working class member. In room 23 we have Amy Combs for being a diligent worker in all curriculum areas who uses exciting vocab in her writing work and her written work. And Kobe McLean for having a positive attitude towards classroom learning and making excellent progress towards his reading goals. Well done, Kobe. In room 24 we have the lovely Emily Lycombe for consistently demonstrating positive Cotswold values and an excellent work ethic. What a smile. Here it goes. Room 24, also the lovely Charlotte Burgess for a creative superhero painting and making a big splash at the Zone Swimming Sports. In room 25 we have Sophie Hooper for sharing her creative and original ideas through her excellent use of descriptive language when writing. And last but certainly not least, we have Connor Watson for being an enthusiastic and caring class member. You have a fantastic attitude towards your schoolwork, Connor. Well done.
Awesome value, seniors. Room 7 has been busy learning how to keep the beat in music. They are now going to play you a stick tapping game which we'll hope you enjoy.
Just listen, tap out the rhythm, and when it's done, see if you can repeat them. Tapping your sticks is fun.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail around to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be alive to guide you. Find out what we're made of, and we are called to help our friends in need. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're tossing and turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of, and we are called to help our friends in need. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Count on me, 'cause I can count on you.
Outraging singing in Cotswold. That brings us to the end of our assembly.
Can Mrs. Winnie Connell please come to the stage to complete our assembly?
Well done, children. What a fabulous assembly. And I know that Mr. Harrison was here. He'd be very proud of you. So well done. And a huge congratulations to rooms 7, 8 and 18 and their teachers for their fabulous items. I just love a bit of art and a bit of dancing and singing. So let's give them another great big clap. And we have the species up, Jasmine and Lauren, and our two presenters, Maya and Rory. And you do a fabulous job, and especially those techies, because as Mr. Simpson and I know, there's always a couple of hiccups, so you do very well, so let's give them a big clap. And thank you, parents, friends and family for coming to our assembly. Children, you're just going to sit nice and quietly. You've done such a good job sitting and remembering your Cotswold manners. So let's carry on until the parents leave the hall. So thank you, everyone.